watch it today. What the heck is going on?
I did do a bit of board game modeling back in the
That's a boy, but he's in a lawsuit.
I think I remember. Was it oh God, it's on the tip of my.
Kiss this so long.
Dream phone.
Dream phone. Right now.
This woman
Such a
like
long time.
here.
Is that
Wanna
the
kiss
phone from the game that you're holding
this
right
man. Oh, look at
So it is. Hey, I got the day free. What do you say we head to the mall and...
That's all the chemicals!
I try to stay away from malls and pizza.
I'm beginning to get the distinct impression, Dylan, that you are a liar.
Well, I wouldn't exactly call it lying, but for starters, my name's not actually Dylan.
So, what happened back there? We went to the mall and had pizza because that's what Dylan likes.
Why is there blood on the dream phone?
He likes malls and pizza. And me.
Roger, what's in this jar?
Dylan was being bad. And now we have the jar.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
Well, it's official. I'm out at Channel 3, and you two are back in. Thanks to us.
What do you mean, thanks to you?
We did all of this. Francine got you on the air, and I abused my CIA powers to make that superstorm.
You made this storm? Lives were destroyed.
But Greg's life was fixed. Now you've got a new work partner and a new life partner.
Now kiss, you two lovebirds, and put some mustard on it.
Aren't you straight? Yes. I'm terrified of these people. They can control the weather.
You did it, baby.
We did it because we're helpers. It's just in our nature. We help.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.